Hello there, this is Angelus, and welcome back. Does anybody out there actually understand or know what NLP is, or manifesting, or the quantum realm, or quantum physics? Do you even know what the relationships are to each other? Well, I'm going to quickly explain that in this video for those who don't know anything about them. And for those who do know something about them, this will be a great refresher course. Please pay attention to the video from the beginning to the end, because there's a lot of nuances in between that you're going to miss if you stop watching in between. So let's start with NLP. What is NLP? Simply, it's an acronym for Neuro Linguistic Programming. It's just hypnosis. My wife and I were trained and certified years back in hypnosis, NLP, and we've been practicing since. It's a great tool that we use in our repertoire of services to help our clients. You might know other people out there who use it on a regular basis, like Anthony Robbins. I mean, I remember back in the 90s, he introduced me to NLP, and it's changed my life. Obviously, it's changed his life, and it's changed so many others. It's just simply hypnosis, known through the scientific community, not the kind of hypnosis you see in like carnivals and sideshows and stuff like that. This is like the real thing. This is what everybody goes through naturally, especially from the years 1 through 7. In fact, from the years 1 through 7, children are what scientists call in a perpetual state of theta waves. Theta is the frequency your brain functions when you are being hypnotized. And during that time, you can absorb large amounts of information and make it permanently. It's there until the day you die, unless brain damage. It's there permanently through NLP or anything that uses NLP. Repetition is one way. You learn the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you know the rest. You learn that by repeating it over and over and over. That is a form of neuro-linguistic programming. So that's what it is. It's just simple hypnosis. Now, when you got manifesting, the art of manifestation or the science of manifestation, what is that? Well, simply put, it's what you focus on. That's it. A little bit more than that, but I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. It is generated for the purpose of satisfying what your mind is focused on a regular basis. Here's an example. A child is thinking quite early, he or she wants to be a doctor someday. So even though they're not even out of first or second grade, they're already thinking they want to be doctors. So they start studying, they start taking action, they go to the library, they go on, YouTube, they go talk to other doctors and professionals, they take trips to the hospital. I mean, they do volunteer work even. So they take action and they focus on someday being a doctor. At some point, that will come to be, because through focus and taking action, which are the main motors of manifesting, you will create that which you are attempting to manifest. That which you are focused on, you will manifest. Manifestation is just based on focus and action, period. And what's the focus and action about? Whatever that was programmed by NLP. That's it. That's the relationship. Now, I said manifesting, or the science of manifesting, is a generated process. Where is it generated from? The quantum field. The quantum field, or the quantum realm, as it's known by my old colleagues in the science community, it's all about a true discovery of another realm that's outside, another dimension, think of it that way. It's outside of our time and space and 3D universe. It supports and gives all the potentialities of what a person would use NLP to manifest something. So technically, without NLP, there's nothing to manifest. Those two are intertwined, interrelated. But those two would be useless and could not function unless you had the bridge, which is the quantum realm. It is another universe that literally generates everything that you are using NLP to manifest. But here's something a little bit more than that. It doesn't really generate anything. It is everything. It is past, present, and future. It's outside of our time and space. So literally, it has everything that you can possibly imagine, you haven't thought of yet, and you've talked about in the past, all happening at the same exact time. You don't have to understand that. It's just what's been validated through the math. But with that, I want you all to understand that through NLP and taking action, you're manifesting something. Whatever that something is, it basically exists already somewhere in the quantum field. All you're doing is deciding that one, nope, that one, nope, today out, that one. And you pick it out, and it generates and brings it into your 3D reality. So that's it. That's in a nutshell, that's 101 for the three. You could spend literally years studying each subject matter. I just want you guys to get a 101 education on these subject matters that my wife and I use on a daily basis for our clients and ourselves as well, because we're always attempting to use these same techniques to develop ourselves. So you can now use them to develop yourselves. If you got immense value by this video, please like us, subscribe, and hit the icon bell so you're reminded of any future videos coming your way. And if you got a comment, please put one in. I love to read them. And if it's a great comment, I might just put it in my next video. With that, I'll let you guys go. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.